Everyone keeps saying you can get Roblox voice chat without an ID, but that's not really the full picture. You've probably seen it too many videos, posts, and random tricks, saying stuff like do this and voice chat will unlock. Sounds tempting, right? But here's the truth, most of that is just noise. Let's clear things up once and for all. First, you need to understand something basic about Roblox. Voice chat is not just a simple feature you switch on, it's actually locked behind one main thing, age verification. And yeah, that's exactly where most people get stuck. Now here's the real question. Can you get around it without an ID or phone number? Short answer, no. But wait, don't scroll away yet, because this is where a lot of people get misled. You'll see some tricks online saying VPN works, fake settings work, or even alternate accounts work. Sounds good in theory, but in real use, it doesn't hold up. Roblox systems are much stricter now. Even if something works for a short time, it usually gets detected or removed later. And worst case, your account can get restricted, and honestly, it's just not worth it. Now let's break down what actually happens behind the scenes. When you try to turn on voice chat, Roblox checks your age, your account signals, and your identity verification. If anything fails in that process, the feature stays locked. Simple as that. No shortcut can bypass it. But here's something a lot of people don't realize. Even without voice chat, you're not completely cut off from communication. There's something called experience chat. It lets you talk inside games, but in a more controlled and safer way. So you're not totally silent, just limited to safer spaces. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. So I basically have no option unless I verify? Yeah, that's the reality. But think about it for a second. Would you rather risk your account for a shortcut that might break later, or keep it safe and stable long term? If you do get proper access later the official way, voice chat actually becomes pretty smooth. You can talk in supported games, meet players naturally, and everything just works without extra tricks or hacks. So to wrap it up honestly, there is no working method without ID or verification. It's not a real solution, just shortcuts that don't last.